Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to create a contact form using contact form 7. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. If you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you'll see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So I request you please visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then let's get started. Go to the another tab and you can see I have created this website only for this tutorial purpose. This is a business or corporate website and I created the main menu. You can see this is the main menu. If I navigate to the contact us page, just click over here, then you will see this page is completely blank and I want to add a contact form here. Definitely I'll do it with WordPress free plugin. The plugin name is contact form 7, which is most popular contact form plugin in WordPress repository. Okay, so let's get started. Very first I have to install the plugin. That's why go to the admin dashboard and hover over on plugins, click on add plugin. Just type here contact form 7. This is the plugin contact form 7 which I am going to use in this tutorial, and you can see already 10 plus million users are using this plugin. Okay, so I can install it. That's why I just click over here, install now. Then activate. After install and activating the plugin, maybe you will be redirected to this admin area or the admin dashboard. You can see this is the admin dashboard and a new option is added whose name is contact. Just you can see below the comments, contact option is added. If you hover over on it, then it shows three options: contact form, add contact form and integration. If you click here contact form, then you will see this is a default or sample contact form. Just if you install and activate the contact form 7 plugin, then this contact form will be imported. Okay, if you want to make a new contact form, then you have to create from here, and if you want, then you can use this sample or a default contact form as well. Actually I want to create a new contact form, that's why I have to click over here, just add contact form, click here. Very fast I have to give the form name. You can see this is the placeholder text, enter title here. So I have to give the title here. I want to give like demo contact form. Demo contact form. Then the form, this tab is selected. Actually this is the form related code. I have to add or remove code from here. I will show it step by step. Then the mail and the message. Okay, so very fast this is the form. Just give the form name and click over here, save. Then I have to give, I have to copy this shortcode. That's why I have to insert this shortcode in the page where I want to show the contact form. That's why just select and copy this shortcode. Then go to the contact page. This is the contact page and edit with Elementor. If you don't use Elementor, if you use like Gutenberg or a default classic editor, then you can edit the page. Okay, so currently I use Elementor, that's why just edit with Elementor. Click over here and hit this plus sign and take in a section. Okay, I can delete it. Then again click this plus sign, take a new section, and it's the flex box, and you can change the content width from here. I want to give full width and 100%, it's okay. I want to give here like pixel and select 1505 pixel, and definitely it will be center. Okay, just it's okay. Then the navigate to the advanced tab and I want to give like padding. It will be on 20, top and bottom, and right will be like 50 and 50 right and 50 will be left. Okay, and take this and click this plus sign and search here shortcode. This is the shortcode, just drag and drop here. Okay, then just paste here the shortcode, or you can select from here. Okay, this is select template. Actually I want to give shortcode, just want to give shortcode here, and you can see the contact form is showing here. Now publish from the right side top. Okay, then go to the contact form page, contact page, and refresh this page and check it. Okay, you can see the contact form is showing perfectly. Sometimes you can, if you use another theme, then you can see the style is different, then you have to write some CSS, or you can do it with like any third party plugin. Okay, I will show it later. Okay, now go to the editor, then this is the contact form, and you can see your name, email, subject and message, then the submit, and you can see your name and this field is very close. I want to give some gap between this field and name. Okay, so go to the editor and just label and copy this. Okay, just give enter and separate, then just cut it, and I want to give a div here. Okay, just check it how does look like. Okay, just I want to give here div. This is the div, and close it. Okay, then just paste it here, then again save and go to the contact form and check it. Okay, you can see this label and this field get some space. Okay, in this way you can add div for each field. Okay, now I pause the video and I will give div for each field, then again I will back. Okay, already I have given div for each field. You can see, don't worry, I have given this code in this video description. You can just copy and paste. Okay, and if you face any problem, then let me know the comment section. I am ready to help you. Okay, just save it, then again go to the contact page and refresh it. Yes, you can see this space works for all field. Okay, now it looks better. Then I want to add a new field here, like your name, your email, subject and phone number. Actually I want to add a field here whose name is phone number. Okay, so go to the editor and just copy like this email, and I want to give a phone number just after this email field. Okay, just copy it. Okay, and paste it, or I can give, or I can write it from very scratch. Okay, let's do it together. So very first I have to write here level. Okay, level, just open level and close it. Level, then just enter. Okay, right here div, div open and close. Okay, div open and close, and I have to take a field here, number. You can see this is the number, or if you want, then you can give here text field. Actually I want to give here text field. This is the text field. Just select this area and click over here text. Okay, you can see text field, and if you want to record this field, then you have to check this box. Actually I don't want to record this field. Then field name text. If you want, then you can give here like text, then write here phone. Okay, this phone number field. Then class attribute, I do not need it. And if you want to give placeholder, then you can give it. Just I want to give a placeholder here. I want to give like phone number. Okay, phone number, then insert tag. Okay, then save it, then again go to the contact page and refresh it. Okay, you can see the phone number field is showing, but I have to give a label for here. Okay, again go to the editor, and this is the phone number, and I have to give label like enter phone number. Okay, enter phone number, then save and go to the contact page, refresh it. Okay, you can see now it works fine. So again go to the editor, and I have to work, this is the mail, and default if you send this mail from here, then it will go to the website admin email, and if you want, then you can give another email. Just I want to give my email here, so just delete it, and I want to give my email. Okay, this is my email, mehdi.webblog@gmail.com. this is the email address. Okay, then save, go to the contact form, and I want to send a message from here like name, okay, email address, then the phone number. Just I want to give just a dummy phone number, then the subject. Okay, I can copy and paste it here, then submit. Okay, just wait a few moments. Okay, you can see thank you for message, it has been sent. Like check the email, so I open my email. Yes, you can see this is the email. Just click here, and you can see this is the message, actually message body, test mail sent, and test mail. Okay, so again go to the contact page, and phone number, actually I have to give phone number. You can see I do not get the phone number here. Okay, so I have to work with it. Again go to the editor, and you can see just email text phone, this text is bold, that means it does not work. Just copy it. Okay, then paste here. Just I want to give here your message, then the phone number. Okay, text phone, then save it. Again refresh this page and send a message. Okay, submit it. Go to the email and refresh it. Just wait a few minutes. Okay, you can see it works fine, and this is the phone number. Okay, if you want, then you can design it like I can give here, this is the phone number. Okay, let's do it again here, like I want to give like here phone number. Okay, this is the phone number, and message, this is the message and subject, it's okay, your name and email. Perfect. Actually I want to give like name, and okay, it's okay, and I want to give mail here. Just cut this your email and give here. Email. Okay, then the paste here. Okay, you can see email and message and phone number. I can change the phone number position. I want to give here your email, then the phone number. Okay, then again save it and go to the contact form page and refresh it, send a message. Okay, phone number and subject, and this is the message. Okay, submit it. Okay, go to the email and check it. Okay, you can see it works fine, and currently email, you can see this is the email. I added this label, then the phone number, and this is the message. Okay, so after sending the email, you can see this is the text, and you can change it. Okay, again go to the editor, then you can see message, this is the message. Sender, message was sent successfully. You can change message from here. I hope if you will check, then you can understand easily. Then if the message will don't say it, then you can change the text from here as well. Okay, just check it. And additional settings, actually it's not required for this contact form. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.